these pictures? A galaxy, stars shining in the universe? Well, you are not looking at space, but you're looking at something just as vast and mysterious, the microbial world. Hidden in deep oceans, sediments, and extreme environments, specialized archaea and bacteria perform tricks that are unheard of. Archaea is like our great great grandparent that looks like bacteria but likes to live in tough environments. In my lab, we bring sediments from the bottom of the ocean, pick different kinds of unknown microbes from them, and try to grow them in lab to understand their life processes. Now, the challenge is these microbes are very friendly. They like to live in communities, exchange important things in their surroundings. We need to separate them to understand what they can do on their own. That's what I do in my project. I identify things that they need to grow on their own. I use different chemicals to solve this pathway puzzle. To our utter surprise, we found archaea that can eat gases like butane and ethane with bacteria that can eat sulfate. I achieved a breakthrough when I was able to grow and separate these bacteria using ethanol. Yes, the same stuff in hand sanitizer that kills them. Using fluorescent molecules and microscopy, I captured their diversity, revealing patterns that resemble cosmic constellations. Each dot here is a microbe that survived on its own. We found out that these teeny tiny organisms convert gases like butane and ethane into CO2. And the best part, the pathways have the potential to be reversed by genetic tweaking. Now, let me put this into perspective. Imagine the extent of climate anxiety that we all feel when we see greenhouse gases like CO2 coming out of industrial chimneys and polluting our atmosphere. I'm sure we all wonder about solutions to climate change. Well, worry no more. These archaeal pathways can be game changers. Archaea is not just an extreme climate change survivor, but a potential climate change warrior. These archaeas can consume all the CO2 and convert it into biofuel without using any oxygen, without causing any pollution. We now understand that these microbial pathways are essential for maintaining healthy ecosystems. Just like space exploration, the microbial world is full of unknowns. Every discovery brings us closer to understanding life's hidden chemistry. Who knows, maybe the next time you look at the night sky, you'll also think about the microbial diversity just beneath our feet. Thank you.